How to track orders on Amazon. Waiting for a package? This guide shows you how to track orders on Amazon so you can know where your package is. First, open the Amazon Shopping app and go to the main menu. Tap on your orders to see the list of all your recent orders. Right here, you'll see the status of each order, whether it's shipped, delivered, or in transit. Find the order that you want to track and tap on Track Package button next to it. This will take you to a new page where you can see the real-time location and status of your package. You can also see the estimated delivery date and time. For eligible orders, you may also see a map that shows the real-time location of the delivery driver as they get closer to your address. This feature is great for knowing exactly when your package will arrive. It's a great way to stay updated with your order. You now know how to track orders on Amazon. Get ready to know where your package is. Like and subscribe for more app tips.